CEO Mastercard confirmed support for Vechain up to $6,000. Interest in Vechain in the world is growing more and more. If earlier Vechain was popular only at the level of companies, now more and more countries from different parts of the globe are interested in this cryptocurrency. In the near future, it will be possible to see Vechain as a global cryptocurrency that is able to unite countries. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. What do you think the maximum price for Vechain will be in 2022? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 3,000 Vechain at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Vechain coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Vechain, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Vechain, Mastercard and Alipay are among the most active supporters of the new APAC Provenance Board, which has already secured millions of funds to track the supply chain and finance pilot projects in the Asia-Pacific region. The consortium will provide comprehensive authentication and tracking solutions for food, wine and products using blockchain, with a particular focus on exports from Australia to China in the amount of $76 billion. Trade finance will be provided by Mastercard outside China and Alipay Australia for goods heading to China. Products can be tracked using Vechain as a public blockchain or Mastercard Provenance as an authorized ledger. Supply chain tracking was a key use case identified in the Australian government's recent blockchain roadmap, and Australia's share of the value of exports to China reached a record 38% in 2019, more than any other country. Due to the fact that economic blocking negatively affects the company's cash flows, a unique selling point will be to allow milestone payments to various parties as cargo moves through the supply chain. For example, 30% can be automatically paid when the blockchain registers the customs clearance of a shipment in Australia, another 30% when it gets to customs in China, and the balance for delivery instant payments can be made using a credit to a digital wallet, rather than waiting for settlements in a month. David Indirias, co-founder and CEO of Fresh Supply Company, the main supplier on the Provenance Board, said that Mastercard and Alipay allowed the consortium to offer instant payments. "We offer the ability to finance and facilitate payments instantly," he said. "We can pay our customers faster, which means paying on credit. Usually the terms of trade are receipt plus 30 days, so this worries many of our customers who can receive payment instantly. So, we are talking about taking B2B, very large bills and issuing them short-term loans for 30 days. This way you can save your money to have more working capital. If I am a buyer like Alibaba, I don't need to use real money, I can use credit as long as I pay off within 30 days, and the benefit is that the producer gets paid quickly." Vechain CEO Sunny Lu said that this new ecosystem will be extremely useful. "The introduction of blockchain technology certainly helps to contain the immediate economic consequences of the pandemic for enterprises and will help to increase productivity by using more resources and opportunities for growth," he said. In addition to blockchain and financial companies, the consortium also includes food industry bodies, standardization agencies, packaging and labeling service providers. Well-known participants include the Food Agility Cooperative Research Center, which costs $150 million. USD, blockchain in Australia, Australian-made, MNC Saatchi, Tasmania trademark, IndyLedger and DNVGL. The main commercial vendors of the Provenance Council are Australians, the blockchain integration company and the binder software Fresh Supply Company, Cyro the digital fingerprint company Lava and the authentication company Source Certain International. Indirias said FSC already offers blockchain-verified trade finance of $80,000 a week in partnership with Mastercard for a major Australian dairy exporter and is in the process of integrating one of the country's largest seafood exporters, accounting for hundreds of millions of exports annually. Blockchain Australia CEO Nicholas Giurietto expressed his support for the board, stating, "The National Blockchain Roadmap has identified supply chains in agriculture as a key area where blockchain and related technologies can transform our national capabilities. The creation of the APAC Provider Council is a big step forward that will allow us to move forward with projects that will increase transparency, efficiency and management of agricultural and other supply chains. The Omanda of the Vechain blockchain project has announced the upcoming release of VUSD, the first native Vechain Thor enterprise-level blockchain stablecoin. The Vechain Thor blockchain is an open-source platform supported by the Singapore-based Vechain Foundation. According to the official statement, the release of the stablecoin will be preceded by several more months of development. After some time, VUSD will be launched on the main network. The VUSD stablecoin will be fully backed by physical reserves of fiat money in a ratio of 1:1 and will be verified by the Prime Trust Company registered in Nevada. According to the Vechain team, it will be fully available for redemption at any time. It is expected that with the launch of VUSD, Vechain will open up new opportunities for Web3 and decentralized financing, similar to the functionality of Ethereum. Underscore 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 underscore. In response to this news, the price of the main Vechain VT token briefly increased by more than 9%, but then, together with the general crypto market, it plunged into the red zone. The value of Vechain VT rose sharply on Wednesday, January 5, after an extended time in which the digital asset remained relatively flat despite other cryptocurrencies seeing some kind of market recovery. In response, leading cryptocurrency trading expert, Michael van de Poppy has shared his opinions on the digital asset, which he believes is exhibiting signs of a big upward movement. The prominent trader revealed that $VET is ready to move hard on Twitter as he gave his latest prediction for the versatile enterprise-grade L1 smart contract platform. The price usually chops around for a while to test all the levels. In such an accumulation period, it takes time for a breakout to happen, but when it does, Fibonacci extension comes into play. Therefore, some more sideways action within this white block reminds me heavily of the previous accumulation period, he said. Poppy noted the price is acting in a similar block of sideways action as accumulation. The live Vechain price today is $0.07 with a 24-hour trading volume of $258 million. We update our VT to USD price in real time. Vechain is down 0.42% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Vechain will be able to rise to $1? Write the answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then like this video, subscribe to the channel.